Okay, so Positive Day Delivers. This is Dr. Gigi Sunga from my Gigi's Project. Magandang lunch break sa lahat ng viewers natin. And sa first time po tayo mapanood sa aking YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Please subscribe. Click po yung Dr. Gigi Sunga. And sa lahat mag-gusto magpa-coach sa atin, online or personal. And if you want to advertise your business or you want to do business with me under Dr. Gigi Negosyo Hub. And if you need a speaker for seminars and trainings, message ka na 0939-525-4311 or sa aking FB page. Okay, so how to make your life better, right? And you just need 2 skills here. Okay? Making your life better is also one of our duties. Kagabi ay vlog yung, kanina lang pala, yung, ang tawag dito, yung responsibility mo sa sarili mo. Okay? Meron ka ding duties sa buhay mo. That is to make your life better. And it's actually everyone's dream na magkaroon tayo ng better life. Alam mo yung conveniente. Alam mo yung you want to wake up every morning because you have a better life. Na wala kang masyadong less stress, diba? Lesser problems, lesser issues, a happy life with your loved ones, with your ministry, diba? So, something like that. That's a better life. Yung, sa akin for me, pag sinabi mo, pinadefine mo sa akin ang better life ngayon, my life is a better life. Compared to my life before, I have a better life. I always inspired to wake up early in the morning, to go to school. Kahit sabihin na pumapasok pa rin ako everyday. Well, it's for me, it's an inspiration for me. It's one of the reasons that ako pumapasok. So I have a better life because when I wake up, my family is there. I do my things like I vlog, I read, I listen to videos, I jog. So yun yung mga ginagawa natin every morning. Then what makes my life better is one of the things that makes it better is I'm driving my own car. It's better life. Aside from, I no longer need to ride sa tricycle, sa jeep, paghintay na matagal, nainitan sa tabi ng Jollibee, sa waiting. And, every lunch break, I can do my thing like do tayo sa Starbucks. Any evening, I can do what I like to do. Like, I do coaching, I write content, I go to places that I want. Something like that. For me, it's a better life. And every weekend, lumabas tayo, nag-coach tayo, and I meet my team. May team ako sa Manila. Nag-brainstorming kami. Then, I buy some stuff for myself. Like this Saturday, masaya ako kasi I'll be buying volleyball. I'll be buying costumes. Kasi babalik tayo sa pag-volleyball since parang hindi ko pa kaya yung gym kasi may palpitation pa tayo, masakit na yung chest pain. So, but I want to have an exercise. So, I think babalik tayo sa pag-volleyball. To meet also my old friends. So, then Sunday, yung nagaganap na Saturday, that makes me happy. That makes me happy and I feel like I have a better life. And every Sunday po tayo sa church, Sunday school coordinator tayo. So, I meet the Sunday school teachers. And in the afternoon, mapag-coffee tayo, pag-pasyan. So, it's a better life for me. It's a better life. So, I want you also to have your better life. I'm a single, pero hindi ko tinuturing na parang because I don't have my own family, wala na akong capacity to have a better life. Wala na akong capacity to be happy. So, it's not like that. It's not like that. For me, from my own perspective, what I have now is a better life. It's a life designed by God. It's a life that I chose. It's a life that I have at present. And it's a life wherein I can reach people. I can, I help a lot of people, thousands of people na natutulungan natin through my YouTube channel, personal coaching, and through seminars. So, it's a better life. And my challenge to you this afternoon is for you also to dream of a better life. Whether you are single, married, or single parent, or you have your own career, you have your own business, kung saan status ka man ng buhay ngayon, ano man yung yung present life you have, you can have a better. If you feel like, Lord, hindi maayos ang buhay ko, pagising ko pa lang, ayoko na magising, maraming masyadong issues, so you can make it better by just mastering these 3 skills, right? So what are the 3 skills na dapat mong master? Ito kanina, nag-observe ako kanina. I have my classroom observation. Meron ako mga in-observe mga teachers, and I'm surprised kasi sobrang magagaling mga teachers namin sa senior high school. Hello, senior high school teachers. Nag-observe ako kanina. And one of the teachers na naka-inspire sa akin bago gawin itong vlog na to, nagpupuro siya ng research. And yung topic niya, 2 skills to make research. Diba? And in-apply ko yung 2 skills na yun. Sabi niya the first skill that you have to master, ito adapted ko na, sa new version na natin. Binanggit niya kasi doon is try to be observant or a keen observer. Sabi niya, mag-observe ka to have in research. So, sa buhay, yun yung unang skill na dapat meron tayo. Try to observe the things, the circumstances around you. So, para makita mo ano yung pwede mong gawin. So, let's dig deeper here. For example, in observation. Observe mo yung own life mo. Tanong mo yung sarili mo ngayon, better ba ang buhay ko? Maayos ba yung buhay ko? So, try to observe your personal life. Yung personal life mo, ano ba yung nangyayari sa'yo ngayon sa buhay mo? Ano yung mga, minsan na, bakit ayaw mo yung buhay mo? Di ba minsan may mga ganun tayong certain point or certain periods in our life na sinasabi mo na parang this period, ayaw ko yung buhay ko. Well, I had the first share of that when I was in college and early stages when I was working. Parang sabi ko yung period na parang ayaw ko yung buhay ko. At a certain point, not throughout the college stage, masaya ako nung college stage because I was a varsity player and I was the captain ball. Being the captain ball and a varsity player, well, medyo sikat ka ng konti sa campus, masarap maglaro, di ba? So I enjoyed it. Pero may mga part ng college life natin na parang ayaw natin. So may part sa buhay natin, ayaw natin, sa personal na buhay natin. Pero minsan minahirapan tayo, di ba? May mga issues. And even in our career. So minsan may mga problema tayo sa career. Try to observe bakit yung career mo hindi ka na-excite. Bakit yung career mo na-stress ka. Sali na magpasalamat ka, meron kang career, meron kang profession, pero bakit hindi ka masaya? And why not hindi kayo okay ng boss mo? Try to observe. But yung boss mo hindi kayo okay, but yung kasama mo sa department mo hindi kayo okay. Or but yung yung HR nyo, ano ba, hindi ka kinakausap, you observe things, ano yung reaction ng mga tao sa'yo inside your office and in your career. And next, sa family mo, try to observe, okay ka ba sa family mo, do they like you, yung bang presensya mo, mahalaga sa kanila, or baliwala na lang, try to see or yung family mo ba is still suffering of problems, issues, yung mga basic commodities, hindi nyo pa ma-attain. Dok, hanggang ngayon, problema pa rin namin yung bills. Monthly na lang, nag-aaway-aaway kami sa bills. So, try to see anong problem, di ba? Anong meron? But hanggang ngayon, issue pa rin sa inyo ang bills, issue pa rin sa inyo yung discipline sa bahay, issue pa rin sa inyo yung mga bagay na, yung mga household chores, issue pa rin sa inyo. So, anong dapat mong gawin? Okay? So, next is finances. Try to observe yung pera mo, di ba? Kagabi, nag-repose ako, yung, ano tawag dito? Sa title, bakit wala ka pa rin, bakit lagi ka walang pera? So, try to see yung finances mo. Try to observe. Like ngayon, ano yung bitindig ba ngayon? It's 7, 8. So, yung sweldo ata next week, di ba? Yung sweldo next week. Pero ngayon pala parang may naghihingalo na yung wallet, di ba? Pawala na yung oxygen. Ano yung oxygen? Yung pera yun, di ba? So, kinakapos ka pa rin ba financially? Even your family, kapos pa rin ba? Your business, try to observe. Bakit hindi nag-grow ang business mo? Why are you getting the same profit? Why are you getting the same clients, the same number of clients? Why are you getting the same feedback from your clients? Or bakit hindi nadadagdagan yung profit mo, yung net mo, ba't hindi nadadagdagan yung mga kliyente natin. So, what's wrong, di ba? So, these are the things, the areas in your life na dapat pagtuunan mo ng pansin through observation. Try to observe. And when you observe, ang ibig sabihin na observe is you devote time. Di ba sa science, di ba pag nag-observe tayo when we're a student, tinuruan tayo mag-observe, tingnan, mag-focus, amuyin, di ba, hawakan, di ba? So try to see, you immerse yourself sa company mo, immerse yourself sa family mo, immerse yourself sa business mo, immerse yourself sa paligid mo, para makita mo what is that present situation, right? So, second, this is the first skill. Second, kanugsumi ko after observing. Yung maganda sinabi ng teacher namin kanina is be a problem solver. Diba? Solve that problem. Sabi niya, when you observe that there is a problem, the second step, immediately, right away, is to solve the problem. Di ba ang ganda? After mo ma-observe ang personal life mo, ang career mo, family, finances, business, and ito hindi ko kabasa yung sulat ko. Ministry pala ito. Ministry. Ano ma-observe mo, may problem. Diba? Personal life. Bakit lagi may ulo mo? May problem. Diba? Bakit lagi kang stress? May problem. Bakit lagi kang nagkakasakit? May problem. Diba? Anong solution? So try to devise a solution. Try to see kung anong solution mo dyan. Bakit ba lagi kang nai-stress sa buhay mo? Ba't lagi may ulo mo? Baka mamaya may kulang sa mga routines mo. Baka mamaya sobrang late ka na nag-design, di ba? Hindi solusyonan mo yan. Obserbahan mo yung sarili mo. Kailan ka nagiging ulo sa umaga kasi baka mamaya hindi ka lang organized, di ba? Hindi ka na nag-design, hindi mo makita yung sapatos mo, hindi mo makita yung mga gamit mo. Nai-stress ka, di ba? Anong solution? Find solution to that problem. Okay? Next, sa career mo, bakit may problema? Bakit may issues lagi sa'yo? Bakit lagi ka nakakatanggap ng may problem? And find solution to that problem. Baka mali na yung sila sa ng report. Baka lagi ka nagka-cram. Procrastination. Diba kung kailan deadline, doon ka gumagawa. So, ano yung solution? Yun ang second skill na dapat meron ka. Find solution to that, to your career. Family mo, bakit lagi may issue? Baka ikaw pinagmumula ng problema. Diba nakakalungkot yun? Bagay ko lahat. Lagi pinagmumula ng problema. Problema ka, find solution. Anong problema mo? Hindi mo magawa yung mga tasks mo. Hindi ka, kung nanay ka, parent ka, tatay ka, hindi ka makapag-provide. May solution, find solution. Baka hindi na talaga yung sweldo mo. Kahit mag-tumbling kayong pamilya, mag-tumbling talaga. Ibig sabihin, kahit na anong tipid yung gawin nyo. Kanina, I heard it. Mamaya, mag-vlog tayo na isa. Kahit mag-cost cutting kayo, hindi pa rin sa obra. So, baka merong mali. Baka may kulang. Kahit baka kulang kayo ng source of income. Baka sumusobra kayo sa patay sa labas. One time, may nagpa-call sa akin. Nasa abroad ang asawa niya, may business sila dito, pero parang kulang. So, pinakwento ko yung nangyayari sa loob ng isang buwan. Sa loob ng isang buwan, napaka-beses naman sa shopping. Sa loob ng isang buwan, ilang beses lang kumakain sa labas. May mali. Solution, di ba? Find solution to that problem. Okay? Finances mo, bakit hanggang ngayon? Wala ka pa rin investment. Hanggang ngayon, break-even ka pa rin. May mali, di ba? Try to see anong solution ang pwedeng gawin niya. Diba? Baka nag-exceed ka na rin sa iyong mga expenses o yun na, baka isa lang din ang source of income mo. So, sa business mo, what's happening? Find solution. Paano kung magkaroon ng kliyente? Diba? Did you try to to apply marketing hook? Yan ang vlog ko si Kapon marketing hook sa iyong business. Nagmo-market ka ba? Nirepackage mo ba yung products nyo, yung services mo ba, inaayos mo, maayos ka ba sa kliyente? So, what's the problem? Anong dapat mong gawin? Maganda yung vlog kahapon ni Ma'am Joyce na basa ko. Pemda. How to have an online business. So, please visit her channel. Joyce, ano siya, ang target niya ngayon is changing mindset. So, having an entrepreneur mindset, positive mindset. So, yan ang topic ngayon ni Ma'am Joyce. So, palagay natin yung kanyang channel na Joyce Show. Okay? Alright, so yun yung dalawang skills na dapat meron tayo. Okay? So, kung sa buhay mo ngayon, you want to make it better, apply these two skills. You need to master this. Okay? Observe, then find solution. Offer solution. So, hindi pwede wala tayong solution sa buhay. may problema. Pag may problema, may solusyon. Okay? So, kung paano gagawin, I can help you. Just message me, right? Para tayo makapag-usap, okay? Online or personal coaching. Okay? Alright, so please share this video sa lamay natin. Kahit OFW o dito sa Pilipinas para sama-sama tayo mabagot mula tayo ng buhay. Alright, so thank you very much, universe. Enjoy the rest of the day, yeah? Let's go, let's go.